To set up a user feedback survey in Hotjar, start by logging into your Hotjar account and navigating to the Feedback tab. From here, click on the New Feedback Survey button to begin creating your survey. Choose a survey type, such as a multiple choice or rating survey, and give your survey a title and description. Next, add your survey questions, which can be multiple choice, rating, or open-ended. You can also add logic to your survey, such as skipping questions or ending the survey based on user responses. Make sure to keep your survey concise and focused on collecting relevant feedback. After creating your survey questions, configure the survey settings, such as the survey duration, frequency, and targeting options. You can target specific pages, user types, or behaviors to ensure your survey is shown to the right users. You can also set up survey notifications to alert you when new responses are received. Once your survey is set up, click on the Install button to generate the survey code. Copy and paste this code into your website's HTML. Or use a tag manager like Google Tag Manager to install the survey. Alternatively, you can use Hotjar's integrations with popular website builders like WordPress or Shopify. To analyze your survey results, navigate to the Results tab in Hotjar, where you can view response rates, survey completion rates, and individual responses. Use this data to identify trends and patterns in user feedback, and make data-driven decisions to improve your website or application. Best practices for setting up a user feedback survey in Hotjar include keeping your survey short and focused, using clear and concise language, and testing your survey on different devices and browsers. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up an effective user feedback survey in Hotjar and start collecting valuable insights from your users.